Welcome to this lesson on PowerShell Hashtables, part of our PowerShell Collections series. Today, we'll explore key value pairs and learn how to create dictionaries using the @ curly braces syntax. Hashtables are fundamental data structures that allow you to organize and retrieve information efficiently by associating unique keys with their corresponding values. A hashtable is a collection of key value pairs where each unique key maps to a specific value. Think of it like a real dictionary where the word is the key and the definition is the value. Or imagine a phone book where the name is the key and the phone number is the value. This structure makes it incredibly easy to store related information together and retrieve it quickly whenever you need it. Creating a hashtable in PowerShell is straightforward. You use the @ followed by curly braces. Inside the braces, you define your key value pairs using the equal sign. Each pair is separated by a line break or semicolon. For example, $hashtable equals @ open curly brace, key 1 equals quote value 1 quote, key 2 equals quote value 2 quote, key 3 equals quote value 3 quote, close curly brace. This creates a hashtable with 3 key value pairs. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine you want to store employee information. You create a hashtable called $employee with keys like name, ID, department, and role. The name key might have the value Sarah Johnson, ID could be 10,245, department could be engineering, and role could be senior developer. This organizes all related employee data in one convenient structure. Once you've created a hashtable, you need to retrieve values from it. There are 2 ways to do this. First, you can use square brackets with the key name in quotes, like $employee square bracket quote name quote square bracket. Second, you can use dot notation, like $employee dot name. Both methods work, but dot notation is often cleaner and easier to read. Choose whichever style you prefer. Hashtables are dynamic, meaning you can add new key value pairs or modify existing ones after creation. To add a new pair, simply assign a value to a new key, like $employee square bracket quote salary quote square bracket equals 85,000. To update an existing value, use the same syntax with an existing key. You can also use dot notation for both operations, such as $employee.email equals quote sarah@company.com quote. PowerShell provides several useful methods for working with hashtables. The keys property returns all the keys in your hashtable. The values property returns all the values. The ContainsKey method checks if a specific key exists, which is helpful before trying to access it. The remove method deletes a key value pair from your hashtable. These methods give you powerful tools to manipulate and query your data structures effectively. Let's recap what we've learned. Use the @ curly braces syntax to create hashtables. Remember that keys must be unique, but values can be of any type including strings, numbers, arrays, or even other hashtables. You can access values using either square brackets or dot notation. Hashtables are perfect for storing configuration settings, structured data, and any scenario where you need to quickly look up information using a key. Practice creating and manipulating hashtables to become comfortable with this essential PowerShell feature.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.